Hello, welcome back to Life of My Wife. So it's been a week since we planted the tomatoes, peppers, carrots, and radishes, and we've also got some flowers planted since then, just a few. So I thought I would bring you out and let you have a look. It rained horribly overnight. It was so loud, it was crazy. So we're overcast today, but it's nice. Right there, Kevin's going to get some jam jars for me because I'm making some jam this afternoon. Let's see, it's got rhubarb, it's got saskatoon berries, raspberry, and strawberry. So we'll see if it's good. I have never made it. Anyway, I'll turn you around and I'll show you the updates on the garden. Alright, let's have a look. There's the radishes. And I don't see much going on with the carrot. Oh yes, there is a few little specks. Yep. Radishes are coming along good. Alright, let's go over here. We'll see how these are coming along. There's one tomato plant, pepper plant, and the last tomato plant. So, I don't know. We'll have a look. Hopefully they'll survive. And here is the little flower garden that my neighbor put together. So, just some wave petunias. It's sort of a... Brody wants to be on camera. You're not coming out, buddy. You just got in. Brody likes to climb through our railing here and get all tangled up. So we had to come up with something. So that's what we decided on. I supplied the soil, she supplied the flowers. Yeah, so anyway, so that is the update on the garden for this week. So I will bring you back a little bit later and show you the jam. I meant to show you from scratch, from making it, and I forgot to put the camera on. So I'll just come back and show you it. Alright, so here's the jam done. I got 11.5 of the 250 ml jars. And it's just going to be fridge jam because I'm not canning. But, yeah. So I will put the recipe in the description box below. And it's mighty tasty, if I do say so myself. Somebody right there does not like rhubarb, but I'm going to make him try it.
Yeah, but it's different when it's mixed with stuff.
Yes. So he will be trying this one.
It's like I don't like uncooked tomatoes, but I like cooked tomatoes.
Exactly. Why don't you give us a taste test, hon? Right here, this one.
I'm busy
So?
cleaning up your mess.
That I hadn't gotten to because you just stepped in. See, people, he just steps in.
No, I'm talking about your mess you left from last night.
Okay, get a spoon and try the jam.
I don't want to.
Yes, you do. Remember, it's hot.
No, really? Smells alright.
It's yum. All right. That's what we got for today. We'll see everybody another day.